Understanding Infinity Mirror, a journey into endless reflections. Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, infinity mirror. This concept isn't just a part of language, but also a magical blend of art and science. So, let's dive into what makes an infinity mirror an endless wonder. An infinity mirror creates a series of endless reflections that appear to go on forever. It's like standing between two mirrors, facing each other, and seeing a never-ending corridor of images. This effect is achieved by placing two mirrors parallel to each other, with one being a one-way mirror. LED lights or other light sources are often added to enhance the effect, creating a dazzling display of endless lights and reflections. The magic of the infinity mirror lies in its simple yet effective design. When light bounces between the two mirrors, each reflection creates a smaller, more distant image. This happens because the one-way mirror is partially reflective and partially transparent. Light passes through and reflects back, creating a loop of reflections that seem to recede into an infinite distance. Infinity mirrors are more than just a cool concept. They have various applications. They are widely used in art installations to create stunning visual effects and in decorative objects to add a touch of magic to interiors. Sometimes, they are even used in educational settings to demonstrate the concept of infinity and reflection in a visually engaging way. And that's a wrap on our journey into the world of infinity mirrors. I hope this video has illuminated this fascinating concept and shown how language can open doors to amazing ideas and creations. Remember, English isn't just about words. It's about exploring a world of endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure into the English language.